Perhaps what stands out in the Masters in Computer Science is we end the program with a Capstone software project experience that addresses all the different areas of the system's development lifecycle. So students in small groups will design a solution to something that they propose. It will involve probably distributed computing, a database, perhaps some AI model, but it brings together all of the curriculum that is woven throughout the entire master's program to kind of build this final project. So I think that's a really fun experience and meaningful experience for a lot of students. For the AI program, there are some unique course offerings, and we have this kind of multidisciplinary approach. So we have courses that apply machine learning in areas like bioinformatics or health sciences in general. And then both of the programs offer an optional thesis where you would work one-on-one with a research professor on some scholarly project. It's an optional part, but the students who are really interested in research and want to do that can really benefit from that. And there have been some great projects that have come from international students that way.